Also, some breaking developments now coming in. We are learning that CBI probe against Sandeep Ghosh, the ex-principal of the college, is now gathering more and more steam in the process. Notice to PWD on renovation work in the RG Kaur Medical Hospital and College has been given. Notice to electrical and civil wing has also been given out. ACB CBI has asked for all the documents related to the procedure that followed after that. Probe to reveal if Sandeep Ghosh is indulged in any sort of corrupt practices in sanctioning these renovation is also going on. We have CNN News 18's Arunima joining us on the broadcast to walk us through more details with regards to this particular input. Arunima, how far has the CBI's probe gone in this particular matter? What are the grave findings that you have collected from your sources?
So this is just the preliminary stage of investigation. This particular investigation is being done by the Nizam Palace office of the CBI. That's where the anti-corruption wing is carrying out its probe. They have, on the first day after registering the FIR, raided a number of places. More than 15 places were raided, including Sandeep Ghosh's residence. There were files seized from his premises. Those documents, property details, bank details are all being studied. Now we are told that the PWD, the Public Works Department, their electrical and civil wing, has been asked to provide documents or files based on which they were carrying out renovation work inside RG Kaur. This renovation work was being carried out for a restroom for the junior doctors, and it was next to the seminar hall, which was the crime scene. So a lot of allegations have been made that this renovation work was actually a way to destroy evidence. But as far as the anti-corruption probe goes, CBI's focus is whether this particular renovation was also part of the alleged corrupt practices of Sandeep Ghosh, whether the due process was followed as far as tendering, allocation of funds, etc. is concerned. That's why PWD has been asked to furnish these details.
Right, Arunima. Please stay on with us. We have Anshul Singh also joining us on the broadcast. Anshul, a very good morning to you. If we were to analyze, the initial details that we got with regards to what exactly transpired that at RG Kaur Hospital, and now all of those findings with regards to the investigation which is currently going on, a lot of things are not matching up. What exactly is the word that you are picking up from your CBI sources?
Well, if you see the entire investigation is going on in a steady manner is what the Central Bureau of Investigation is telling us, and in fact the Central Bureau of Investigation is also very, very confident that they will be able to take this case to its entirety, and they will be able to make sure that the people who are involved in any way or any manner in this entire incident that happened at RG Kaur on the night of 8th of August, they will be brought to the books. And the Central Bureau of Investigation definitely is seeming very, very confident at this point in time. But yes, as we have been reporting that the biggest trouble for the Central Bureau of Investigation, or the biggest challenge at this point in time, is the initial evidences that were collected by the Kolkata police on the day of the incident, because there were many people who were present inside the crime scene on that very day, and hence the evidences that were picked up cannot be relied upon blindly. And that is the reason why we are seeing that the entire investigation that is going on, the statements that are being recorded of the people who were in that vicinity on that very day, that becomes very, very crucial. And that is the reason why 10 people have already been put through the polygraph test, which is becoming very, very important. Although the polygraph test does not hold any evidential value in front of the courts, but this polygraph test has definitely given the Central Bureau of Investigation an angle to work upon, and that is what is happening at this point in time. Now, Sandeep Ghosh has already been interrogated by the Central Bureau of Investigation for more than 14 days now. He was not called in to join into the interrogation yesterday. It remains to be seen if at all he will be called in to join into the investigation today as well. But apart from this, the Central Bureau of Investigation is constantly in touch with the administration out there at RG Kaur, and they are also trying to figure out as to how things eventually panned out. And as we have been mentioning that the renovation work that was ordered on that very day of the incident, that is something that is of very, very serious, because that place was actually very close to the seminar hall, and it remains to be seen if at all anything substantial would come out from the Public Welfare Department or after the notices that have been served by the CBI.
Indeed.